Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by stopping potential audio conflicts. Close media apps and reduce volume. This prevents sudden loud playback. Open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC and switch to Processes so you can see running programs. Once visible, scroll for HP Audio Switch or any HP audio-related process. This is the service you'll target. Doing this first ensures you won't accidentally disrupt system audio drivers. Keep Task Manager open. You'll need it for an immediate kill if the control panel doesn't respond. Now you remove automatic relaunch. Press Windows plus R, type Services, MSC, and find the HP Audio Switch service. Double-click to open Properties. Change startup type to disabled, then click Stop to end it right away. This prevents it starting on boot. Next, open Task Manager's Startup tab, locate any HP audio entries, and choose Disable. Doing both stops background services and startup tasks. Together, they prevent the switch from reappearing without affecting core audio drivers. Finish by restarting your PC to confirm HP Audio Switch no longer starts. Then test speakers and microphone to ensure core sound still works. If audio is missing, reinstall your Realtek or Windows Audio driver. This restores driver ties without pulling HP utilities back in. If the switch persists, use Programs and Features to uninstall HP audio utilities or run System Restore to a point before installation. If nothing fixes it, check Device Manager for disabled devices and re-enable them. That usually resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.